La jeunesse est capable de faire de grandes choses, de belles choses, n'est-ce pas? Et on va en rencontrer une autre de jeune femme brillante, assez incroyable. Vous verrez, son projet est universel, il parle à tout le monde, il touche tout le monde. Et finalement, souvent, on en revient à ça, ce sont souvent les idées les plus simples qui sont les plus belles, les plus porteuses, les plus fédératrices. C'est aujourd'hui un projet qui marche, on peut dire qu'elle fait partie de la French Tech, jeune start-upeuse. Aujourd'hui, c'est plus de 62 000 utilisateurs dans le monde, dans 31 pays. Elle vient de boucler une première levée de fonds de plus de 1,2 million d'euros, donc c'est beaucoup. Ses objectifs sont grands. Elle va vous en parler. Je vais la laisser dévoiler ce que c'est ce projet. Pour en parler, je vous demande d'accueillir la fondatrice Clémentine Piazza et la responsable des opérations Marly Diallo pour un 10 minutes pitch de sa start-up.
We've all lost someone we love. It's the hardest time for families. They have to share the sad news with many people near and far. That takes so much effort, and you always miss someone. Friends want to pay their respects, but they're afraid to disturb, even to ask where to send flowers. That's why we created In Memory, an online space for families and friends to gather, celebrate, and remember. This is Tom from New Jersey. Tom died of cancer this year. His widow Marlene created an in-memory page for Tom to share the news and funeral details. Tom's family and friends were all reached in less than 2 days, and they used the page to share condolences, pictures, memories, and also to send flowers and to donate to Tom's favorite charity. Imagine how touching that must be. What they appreciated most about In Memory was our values. Intimacy. This is a safe space that Google doesn't find. Dignity. No ads, no likes, no comments. And universality. In Memory is free and made for all ages.
Marlene was so grateful that she gave us the permission to share this story with you today. And in her own words, what is unique about In Memory is that it makes love and warm memories the center of attention. But how did she hear about In Memory? At times of loss, key players like insurance companies, hospices, and funeral directors are already involved. We have signed a partnership with each of them. They then promote In Memory to their grieving families. This B2B2C strategy has already brought us 7% of French market share and 150,000 unique users. We are also very proud to announce that we have signed our first contract in the US with the Mutual of Omaha, bringing us 5% of American market share. So, each distributor brings us significant and continuous leads. Each page gives us access to a wide and engaged community that is looking for a simple way to send flowers to a ceremony or to contribute to a fundraising and make a donation. You will easily understand that we are creating the first marketplace dedicated to commemoration.
So are we ready to scale? Yes, we closed a seed round of $3 million led by Partech at the beginning of the year, and we are currently raising a significant Series A. And I have the most amazing team, 60% of women, 3 nationalities, speaking 4 languages currently. They hold In Memory's mission in their hearts, so we are unstoppable and we are ready to expand across the world. And in fact, we already have users in more than 140 countries. Grief is universal.
And life is precious.
Thanks to In Memory, our loved one will always be remembered. Thank you.
Thank you.